We would like to give a special thanks to Hasbro for sending us these dolls as a gift to review. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Disney Style Series. Ooh, looks fancy. Let's take a look inside. Wow! It's the new Disney Style Series by Hasbro featuring Ariel, Belle, and Mulan. Here's Ariel, Mulan, and Belle. The boxes are numbered on the side, with Ariel being number 1, Mulan is number 2, and Belle is number 3. The packaging is minimal and chic, a soft off-white with little touches of gold. There is a sketch of the doll on the side, and it has a little embossing. I do believe I see some articulation. Recommended for ages 6 and up. On the back of the box, there is artwork for each character and a short description. Shine a spotlight on a contemporary style inspired by Mulan's world. They all say the same thing, it just changes the name of the character. Shine a spotlight on a contemporary style inspired by Ariel's world. And shine a spotlight on a contemporary style inspired by Belle's world. I gotta say, I love the box art. So in the Disney Style Series, we get to see some of our favorite Disney princesses dressed for the modern world while holding on to their iconic styles. I love Disney princesses in modern looks. Well, let's get these girls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, Mulan is wearing a blue headband with a flower on top, a sheer overlay dress that reaches all the way to the floor, with glitter details at the neckline and pink petals on the skirt. There is a blue ribbon around the waist and a dress that stops at the knee underneath. It is all one piece and velcros in the back. She carries a fan purse and has gold-colored shoes. Belle wears the front of her hair pulled up and it is secured with a red hair tie. She wears a rose necklace with a gold layered dress that stops mid-shin. The top is a metallic gold with red stitching, followed by tulle layers of glitter. It is all one piece and velcros in the back. She has a rose purse and rose-colored shoes. Ariel wears a pearl headband with a purple seashell, a strapless green top, a long purple skirt with a seafoam green tulle overlay decorated with glitter and stars. The purple skirt has a mermaid cut. The skirt and the top are 2 separate pieces. They velcro in the back. She carries a purple shell purse and wears pearly white shoes. These shoes are the same sculpt as Belle's, just a different color. I really like the whole modern princess look. All of these dolls have eyelashes, rooted in place, giving them all a very glamorous look. And I like the makeup. Usually I go for the very simple look, but that gold is perfect on Belle. And Ariel has so much personality. They can move at the head. There is rotation at the shoulder, at the elbow, and at the wrist. The leg can go forward and back at the hip with limited movement out to the side. However, there is no knee joint. Priced at $24.99 each, I really would have liked to have seen that knee joint. But overall, I think this line gives you a very designer feel at a lower price. To me, they look like they're walking down the red carpet. Josephine Lopez here from Dollyverse News, live on the red carpet. Tonight, we're going to give you the scoop on who's who and who's wearing what. Look, it's Princess Jasmine. Oh, yeah. Look, it's Princess Jasmine. Hello, everyone. let me say you look stunning. Love the lashes. And lashes are all the rage this season. Check out Mulan with her long flowing dress and long lashes. Here comes Belle, who traded in her long gown tonight to show off those rose-colored shoes. And yes, she has lashes. And of course, Ariel does not disappoint, keeping with the lashes trend. This little mermaid definitely knows how to walk a red carpet. I'm Josephine Lopez, and you heard it here first on Dollyverse News. Wow, I just noticed they have the same body and articulation as the Princess Jasmine, so we could add her to the collection as well. I think all of the dolls are very pretty. I like the modern fashion while holding true to the dolls' characters, and I can't wait to see more. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Disney Style series. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.